welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Partners in Cream. This was created by Stefan DeLynn years ago, 500 years ago. I don't remember exactly now. It is an 11-month project. It started on January 10th. It will go till December 10th. Then we get a month off, and hopefully it will come back again next January. This is all about your non-powdered makeup products, and you can pick as many as you want. I think it's like 3 to 6, and I had 5 because, you know, it's just a nice easy number for me. And I do not have any rollouts this time in the typical sense, but I am going to do a partial refresh because I'm finding that a couple of these products I'm just not reaching for. And I want to have products in that I do want to reach for. It doesn't do me any good to pan products if I'm not going to use them. So, I mean, I like them. I'm not using them right now. It's not stuff that I am like really wanting to reach for on the day-to-day basis, and it's kind of a little bit of a conflict with some of these products, so I'm just going to swap them out for things that I know I'm going to use. There should be a playlist or a spreadsheet or something down below. I think there is. If there is, it is definitely going to be in my description box, but definitely go check out Stefan DeLynn since they did create this all those years ago, and I absolutely love this project. I've done it every year. And let's get into this update. I'm going to go in order of everything that is in my spreadsheet just because it's easier, and you know, I don't want to confuse my poor little brain this late at night. So the first thing that I have up is Buxom Jasmine, and I think I've used it maybe once since the last update, and I'm not able to make a new mark. You can see my previous mark. It is what it is. You know, I got a lot of products that I'm working on. It happens. The next one is another Buxom, and this is one that I'm going to roll out. This is in the shade Emma. This one you would think would be a lot easier to use than this one, but I do have a similar shade that I'm working on in another project. It's not a Buxom, it's just, let's see, an Avon Glazewear, and that is one that I'm attempting to finish this year. It's on my 50/50, so that has been prioritized. So this one has definitely gone on the back burner, and if I'm not going to be using it anytime soon because I want to finish the other one, it makes sense to roll this out and put something in its place. So because this is a lip product, I'm going to bring in another lip product to take its place, but it's going to be a lip liner because I think I'm only working on 1 or 2, and those, yeah, it's 2, and those are almost identical shades, which I happen to have on my lips today, and I want something that's just a little bit different. So this is a 2-sided Avon pencil. It is the Double Barrel Berry, and I'm going to show you what the colors are. They are vastly different from anything that I'm currently working on. They're not red, but they are like bright berry colors. I feel like I can make these work with some of the other lip products that I have going. So this isn't really a conflict of interest like the lip gloss is, so it makes sense for me to swap this one out. The next one is another swap out, is the only other swap out, and it is the City Color Mousse Eyeshadow in White Gold. It is very pretty. It really is pretty. I'm going to open it up for you. It says it's white gold, and it is technically white gold, but when you put it on your eyes, it is very gold, and I wasn't thinking about that, and I am attempting to finish a ColourPop Jelly Much shadow, and it's a bright gold, so I'm kind of really focusing on that gold Jelly Much. So this one's not getting any use. Like, I would use it once a month, and it's not going to go anywhere if I'm only using it once a month. So I'm going to roll this out, and I'm going to bring a different eye product in. It's kind of a cop-out, but, you know, I'm working on so much. I need to have kind of like an easy gimme type thing. It is the mascara. It is the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Curl Mascara. It is lash lifting and is in black. I do actually have it on today, so I'm going to swap out an eye product for an eye product. Next up is the Coffee Eyeliner in Tiger Queen. I love this, and this will not get swapped out at all. I am going to keep it in all year. Even if I don't finish it, I don't care. I just really like using it. This is all that is left on that eyeliner. I just really like it. It works very well with my Pan That palette, and I am working on 2 kind of orange-based palettes in addition to my Pan That palette because, you know, apparently I'm crazy and I want to work on way too much of the same stuff this year. So let me show you my lines. I went from this white line down to this champagne color. It is not the most amazing progress, but it is progress. I am using it. I'm loving it. And that is the key. I am loving using it, so it's going to stay. And last but certainly not least is the Pure Lace Blush Glow BB Cheek Color in Sweet Rose. This one, I don't remember who put the comment in to put this in hot water to see if I could get the bubble out or to get it to settle. And I did that, and it like started to expand. I was a little bit worried, but I was able to do that upside down. Once I thought about it and I turned it from this way to this way in the water, I was able to get it to the point where I could like tap it enough to where I could push the air bubble out. So it's not perfect, but it's better than it was. And like you can see my lines where I was marking before, because you couldn't really tell because part of the product was staying on like the upper part, and then there was like a lower part where I could see like a line of demarcation. So I really wasn't sure where the line was. Well, it is actually at the previous line, the silverish line here. So actually I think that's a light blue shimmer, but I am up there. Hopefully I can get to the green by the next update. That would be kind of cool, and then I don't have to like take any lines off. That would be neat. So I am still using it. I don't think I'm going to get this done this year. I really don't, because I'm working on too many like cream things in like for blushes. I'm working on some lipsticks and some other cream blushes, so I'm splitting time. I'm going to enjoy it though. I do really like this color. I'm going to use it. I'm going to see how much progress I can get even if I can't finish it. So I'm going to be very happy just to play around with this one. Much like the Kulfi eyeliner, I like it. I want to play with it even if I can't finish it. Progress to me is going to be good enough even if I can't get that done. So that is my update. Definitely go check out Steph and Delin. They're going to be listed down below if you want to get in on this project. There is plenty of time left, because like I said, it goes until December 10th. And you know, just pick your cream, liquid, gel, whatever non-powder products and have at it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.